Takeaways in the digital age. A balanced assortment of hardware and software can get your team to cope with inventory management, consumer connections, generating reports, finalizing sales, etc. An EPOS system integrates point-of-sale software and hardware to create a shop-till system. It lets you increase the rate of checkout procedures and complete dealings and maintains you on top of the stock from a single device. Installing EPOS software can be super convenient. It allows you to check in with sales at any time or location of the day. Management. EPOS software suggests an all-in-one explanation for sales and merchandise management. By combining sales transactions with merchandise tracking, companies can smoothly scan through stock quantity, trace sales directions, and determine popular sales in real time. Improved buyer's experience. EPOS software lets companies offer a personalized buyer experience by catching customer information and inclinations. With the customer's data, companies can suggest refined proposals, allegiance programs, and AIM promotions, which makes a buyer feel fulfilled, resulting in loyalty to that business. Time-reducing automation. Manual methods are time-depleting and full of errors. EPOS software, on the other hand, covers your business operation from different angles for you. It saves you time while also reducing the risk of errors. For example, when measuring how automation works, orders can be delivered from the point of sale to the kitchen without needing a person on board to take orders. EPOS Restaurant. Allowing a streamlined operation in the food service industry. With EPOS restaurant software and kitchen printing, this takeaway ordering system is smoothly operated and communicated through the chefs on which they start working. At EPOS G, we can simplify your transfer over to an automated till system. If you want to get started with EPOS systems, contact us for more information about our services or to purchase your new automated till system. Please click the link in the description.